Are going to review the Mallow Pot ng Happy Skin. Swatches, ayan. Pink Marshmallow, Berry Cloth, Cherry Cloud, Cinnamon Swirl, Rosy Whip, and Pillow Peach. Ito lahat ang 6 shade ng Mallow. Brushes, actually pareho siya dun sa free packaging. Pero ito muna si Rosy Whip. So try natin siya sa lips. Okay. Wait. Compare sa this brush, ang galing. Very comfortable and easy to use siya. Hindi siya silicone, pero ito talaga yung brush talaga na matindi. Ang tatry kong shade ay si Cherry Cloud. Guys, konti lang dapat kasi this, pag narami siya, nagte-tendency na ganun siya. As is. Yes, way is to apply it through our using our hands and this brush. Naparami sa brush, i-blend out natin pero use our hands na lang para mas madaling gamitin. Wow! I like it as a blush! And it's comfortable on my lips.